Hello Eco DIY lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about promoting healthy and sustainable DIY projects. So if you are into that, please like, subscribe and set an alarm and support us on this green and healthy DIY journey. Good quality olive oil can do a lot more than make marinade or salad dressing. Extra virgin olive oil keeps skin supple, soft, and protected in a layer of antioxidants. Making your own face cream can save you tons of money each year, and it can be prepared in under 10 minutes without unpronounceable ingredients. So today I'm going to show you my homemade anti-aging face cream recipe in 10 steps. I love using it every morning and evening. It makes my skin moist, shiny, healthy, and young looking. The first thing to do is disinfection, which is the most important thing in making natural cosmetics without adding preservatives. Disinfect items with boiling water or alcohol. In a microwave-safe container, put extra virgin olive oil. Add beeswax. Beeswax is solid in room temperature. Place your container in the microwave and heat for 3 to 5 times 30-second intervals. It should be heated just enough to melt the wax. Try not to overheat. The melting point of beeswax is around 65 degrees Celsius. When beeswax is completely melted, stir the oil mixture for at least 30 seconds. Wait for a few minutes to cool. We are going to add essential oils. Once you see a slight solid foam at the outside of the oil mixture, that's the right time to add essential oils. This is to minimize evaporation of essential oils. Add Lavender Essential Oil 4 drops. Add Frankincense Essential Oil 2 drops. Stir well until all ingredients are well mixed. Pour the mixture into a small jar or tin for storage and then cool. I used 2 30ml tin cases, one for myself and one for my friend as a gift. This will take about an hour to cool into its finished cream-like consistency. I've been using this cream for many months and have been exceptionally happy with the results. It is gentle and moisturizing and it smells so lovely. Store the cream at room temperature and out of direct sunlight. Cream will last a few months to a half a year, so make it for a small portion. While rare, some people may have an allergic reaction to these ingredients. Don't forget to do a pet test before the first use. Tune in next time for more eco-friendly and healthy DIY ideas. 고맙습니다.